Friends, welcome in our video. You are watching the Digital India Service Portal channel. Today's topic is about that how will you apply for a new PAN card for your customer or for you if you are a CSC agent. And friends, if you don't have a CSC ID or Digital India Seva ID, or what I will say government portal ID, you can simply contact us in our customer helpline number from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. The number is given in the description, and we will make a ID for you that you will get within the 2 days. And let's start the video. This app is made by us, and we will show you how to apply through this app. And for every other portal you have to apply in CSC portal also like this, and Digital Seva portal also like this. This is our NP Digital India Service Portal app, and if you have not taken ID you can contact us, and I will give this app link in the description also. And let's start the video. You can see here the PAN card portal. Simply click on here, and you can see welcome to UTIITSL's PAN online portal. PAN holders can apply for PAN card printing using UTIITSL portal for their PAN allotted through Income Tax Department's PAN Instant PAN services. Through after relaxation lifting of nationwide lockdown, dispatch of PAN card should be possible only after resumption of postal services. You can see here, simply tap here, click PAN, means apply for PAN. And to apply for a PAN you must have this CSC ID, and simply click on apply for new PAN, and you can see here, and you have to do what I am showing you now. Click here digital mode and Aadhaar based eKYC option, do here. And if you want in physical mode you can do here applications set to submit printed sign application forms the at nearest UTI. I am showing you what you will do. You first click on digital mode, then Aadhaar based eKYC option, and e-sign mode will automatically be selected, and you can do status of applicant. Here it is given individual, you can also take other. And PAN card mode, here you can do both PAN card and e-PAN card, means physical PAN card and e-PAN card. And you can download the PAN card in your mobile, and a PAN card will also come in your house. And if you only need the e-PAN card, means only you will download it in the mobile and make a duplicate PAN card. You can do it. I am selecting e-PAN only, then click on submit. You can see your reference number here, note it, you will need it afterwards. And see here, press OK, and you can see here, simply give like this, and you simply, have you been known by any other name? Yes. I am giving simply here, and gender I am giving male. Okay. I have not given the title here. I have given the title, and I will they are showing error for I think for internet connection. Address for communication, you can resident, and office not required. Here you will give your Aadhaar number, your enrollment ID. If you need your enrollment ID or you don't know how to see your enrollment ID, simply contact us in our customer helpline number and we will give your enrollment ID within 5 minutes. A few details will be needed from you, that will be asked from you, and we will take it out. And after that you will name as per Aadhaar, and you simply click on the next step. And then document details means here this personal details when you will fill, they after that they will show the document details means confirmation details. Here you have to click only OK, and after that contact and parent details. Here you have to fill the contact and parent details means you have to, in the parent details they will ask your name and phone number, alternate number, email ID and an address. And here you will simply, and after that click next step, then go to the address details and you have to give the perfect address in the form. And after that other details means what is your age or age, and you are Indian citizen or not, you are a political exports person or not. And after that document upload, you have to simply, after that they will show a confirmation and they will ask that will we upload the documents. You will simply click on OK, and your application for the PAN will be submitted to the UTI. And after that within 5 minutes, if you are doing this for your customer, a email ID will be received to the customer that application for PAN has been successfully registered. You will, if you have given the physical PAN also, then it will be written that you will receive your physical PAN within 5 to 6 working days. Thank you for choosing UTI portal. And after that, after 5 to 6 days you will receive your PAN card. And if you have given only ePAN, then you will receive your ePAN card in your email ID within 1 day. So friends, to take PAN card portal ID or CSC or Digital India Services portal ID, IRCTC ID, you can simply contact us on our customer helpline number that is given in the description, and I will give the app link in the description. Thank you for watching.